Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Your Honor, Dr. Michael Bizimbusi, Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, Dr. Lakis Kwese, Secretary to the Vice President, Board Chairperson of MPC, Reverend Vasco Kajipapa, and all board members present here today, the Director General of MPC, Mr. George Kasakula, and all management and staff of MPC. I have seen in our midst the Controller of Secretary Corporations. I recognize his presence. Dr. Hene Kamad, the CEO of the Malawi National Council of Sports, and all government officials here present today. Of course, among the board members of MPC, we see Senior Chief Changani. I recognize your presence in that context. Members of the press, and also let me recognize the presence of the chairperson of MPC2 On The Go project and chairperson of the organizing committee for the launch, Mr. Kondo Jumbe. Ladies and gentlemen, Right Honorable Vice President, it is an honor for me to stand before you this morning and a privilege to perform this task of requesting you to address us at the launch of MPC2 On The Go. Allow me to thank you on behalf of the board of MPC and also the management of MPC for accepting to grace this occasion. I am an in-house person when you talk of MPC. This is my home. Actually, many more good people go and make it as the man go down, go and make it a name, make it a garage. If I remember, I will go beach. So then, Agasabura then I don't have a gender for me that Agasabura don't pretend. So, to the troubles anybody for accepting to be here this morning. This is history made, as the board chairperson did say. Malawi Broadcasting Corporation is the first broadcaster to operate 2 television channels in the country. And giving us that opportunity, that rare opportunity, that we can decongest MPC TV1, but also give out a variety, because in the effort to decongest MPC 1, it is not only in the context of the viewers that get glued to TV, MPC, but also the programs. The programs that are on NBC 1, you will agree with me, Your Honor, that some of them, ugaya saumati lazima tsaniswa tayo mwe chifoja sinko wako sopa koma inodine tipezeka utaione na imene kuyambira mama mpaka matulo nijifage lero MPC ja idalalibe ndi viewership yakulu kwambiri dziko monse. When you look at the history of MPC when it was opened, getting to this moment and still enjoying that huge viewership, it is as a result of the creative minds, the innovative minds that drive the operations of MPC. There have been times when MPC was not where we are today. So we have to appreciate that different drivers drive different vehicles differently. And you'll see the same vehicle that we are riding today, and a different driver comes tomorrow and tell him, Mount Sagaway. That is the case of MPC. The potential or the realization that MPC was clogged, congested, has been there for decades. And the need for NBC to at least diversify or provide an opportunity, a platform for another set of audience has always been there. But then it needed the driver to change. If the driver comes and says, this is some more daily, that's when you see things happening. So allow me to applaud the leadership that is there at the board of Malawi Broadcasting Corporation, but also the management under George Kasakula. I was telling him there, the Hokima. You know, Hokima will go back. It takes leadership to know what the Agira Children. Now, Nasu Chividamono, Mkuru Salima Shuka, Akosa, Yuna Zimene for them Chividamono Mulian, Hamina, Gira Chito, Zimene Zuma, and Saguti, Zina Tegina with Sopoli, Wina Zaguti, Ugu, Disney Gaudi, attended celebrated. Ugu Zita attended celebrated. So, NBC, I don't know, I just got Sago to be done. I just got a clan about here. Zaga's ministers we are saying good eye to the NBC too. Zaga's ministers do not die to the OB van, so no custom made. What did you want to be? Gabuena OB van in Menera. Kumawi Kunoko Isaku, who Sajid Johnson has it Sadir. As it Sadir. Sitting wouldn't have run your tunanyamulira abakundu waje ndege na buli nazota tukoza kubayira mu kauje ka TV lugamba vani yokuti okonzawo anauzibwa zimene ife tikufuna. Zimene tikufunazo ndi zimene mutaza tichotse nazo ntchito kapena kulonjezera ntchito ina mukazayona. So we are proud kuti NBC tili munyengo imene zikuteka kuba chifukwa chakuti atsogolera amene ali mmenemo akugwira ntchito zimenezo. Ndili mu mzinda wa Inyani kumene wapanga recognize the presence of her worship the mayor. Olemekezeka mayor mzinda wa Lilongwe momve kuti tili nawo mzinda mwanu muno khululukani kuti sitinapanga recognize your presence in the first place. Your Honor, as I did say, my duty is simply to request you to address us. But allow me as minister responsible to say one or two words to NBC management. Mwanadena tini katimo kunena kuti ai ugunu taigawana talent yetsopano chinthu chabwino kwambiri ndipo ndafunsapo poyamba ntabwera kuti nkhani yayiyoyikira nawo njani mwapezerere chifukwa anadziwe kukula kwa salale ndi kufunika kwa salale kapena kuti anawo mukadalira kuti ali ndi luso chifukwa musangobweretsa ana chifukwa chakuti muzikhalira usiku abweretsa ti mainteni chifukwa mwangu wacho tsapa kabyulo kobenera ma CD mu 18 ndi muzitabe yauza khauzo nega baudzeni kumakhale anawo kuti mwavomereza kuti anawo agwira ntchito ndipo kwawo kwawadalira kuti wamaliza sukulu mpanga pita kaya wamaliza sukulu ali zaka 18 ndi mene wamalizira kwawo akabwera kuno osakhala kuti akuma mwana ndi mpaka na salale chimuluku makosa nawo alipireni zimene apita kuti pamene payambira kuomba manja ndapaona koma ndithu ndaonapo makanema ndi maredio ana atolatola luso ukalunjika malo amodzi atalunjika malo amodzi usoni amene muli pano Kanje you are here, Golden you are here, sindichula redio imene kapena kanema imene koma ukumbukira bwino ina atolera luso labwino kwambiri ndi kulunjika malo amodzi koma kusanati ankusana alipira sikumveka pano redio imene lonama yumveka songati sikumveka chifukwa chani luso lija linazindikira kuti ifeyo sitinagwire ntchito chifukwa chakuti awawa akuti amatikonda aya tinaphunzira ntchito yoti tidzalandira ndalama ndikupemphera kunoko kandi ndikhamudziwe pandekha nangasekula wakusa nawo tiyeni tiwalipire kuti samalire chipfuchi ndiponje tili mchabwino kwambiri chikuoneka chili ngitsogolo inuyo amene mukomba m'manja mukabwera kuno chonchi ndiye kuli chikhalidwe chakumeneko ku MBC chimene nthawi ina chidapangitsa kuti MBC asamaonere zidachitika zimene malamu momwe anthu adasiya kuonera MBC anasiya kumamvera MBC ndeka chikhalidwe chomwe chakamakhala pakuti mukalowa mmene muja mmaona ngati kuti mwabwera ku chipani chimene bambo anu amatsatira ku MBC mafuna ndinezi taona anthu akumbwita chifukwa chobweretsa ndale mmene chinthu chichi cha boma limakhala ndi president mmodzi president wake uyu anamba ndamali president today zimene zochitika tunenazi awa kuti patsire mabajeti awo tikapange president winawo cabinet awa matafuna atsekule kanema uyu a vice president akulo zotsekulira kanema ayo ndetsika fika pamene pacho ufundike ndi nyimbo zako zimene wapeka kwanu kuzotukwana it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Umalowa kusekerera wamepeza fika nthawi naye kopinda kope kumene kukundale zezera kukwana mafuna ndikupemphe zimene zichakusire fe ukoko mbwire ndi luso lanu lichi gwirani ntchito yotamandika mmene magwirira zina zija achina dzanja mwamba mulisire tipanga zimene zija koma tikufunireni zabwino zonse pamene mukugwira ntchito yanu. Government considers the media as a critical partner in national development, and we will therefore remain committed to protecting journalists and all those that are working in media houses and giving and allowing environment for media institutions to operate in the country. The policies that we'll keep putting in place will be friendly to foster an environment where you can work freely. And that that remains our commitment. We will make sure that even those policies that we put in place provide space for institutions like MBC and the other players in the media sector to widen their space, open up new stations like MBC has done, lowering of costs that are associated with the opening and running of such institutions is a call that we have heard and responded to positively through the Malawi Communications Regulatory Authority. The board chair did highlight on the spaces that MBC to on the go will be available from on their website, via Facebook and other sources. One bottleneck that we always face when it comes to accessing content on those platforms has always been the issue of cost of data. But I am pleased to remind us that Malawi is now the cheapest data market on the continent. Kumalawi kuno data ndiyo chilitsitsa mu Africa. Back 4 years ago, Kumalawi kuno data inaliyodula kwambiri ku Africa. There I remember one man saying, I want us to go digital as a country. There is no two ways about it. We have to go digital. And we are going to break all the barriers to digitalization. And this man was speaking at a conference, a Smart Africa conference in Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe. This man is Lazarus Chakwera. And he's saying, I will do anything to break those barriers. Kumena ujada kumana ni president aku Zimbabwe, aku Zambia, kumanso aku Kunogo, and Rwanda. And he said, please, let us break these bottlenecks so that our people can access data at a very affordable cost. And immediately, he charged us to enter into agreements with the neighboring countries. I went to Tanzania and signed a diplomatic data corridor MOU with Tanzania. The president of Tanzania came here, and in the presence of our president, we signed that MOU and executed right away. We signed with Zambia. After that signing, meeting where data, we have now connected with Zambia on a non-commercial rate. And here we are, Malawi is the cheapest data market. As I said, zinthu zimachitika chifukwa choti munthu mmodzi wapanga chiganizo. Munthu mmodzi anapanga chiganizo ku Malawi data ikhayo cheap. Here we are, data ndiyo cheap. It's now up to us. Tikungopita kuonera ku MBC to on the go. Kabali koza kuigwiritsa ntchito bwino data imene. Mene kwachera kutukwana kuti ine data ndiyo cheap, koma you can use it nkupindula nayo. Data yomwe. Koza kuigwiritsa ntchito nkupindula nayo. Ndamona uja amemba amali mbuzi uja. Nyimbo zake muzipeza kuti zitoka kumsanje kunja tazidziwa kuno mpaka na amudzi oti ambweretse kuno chifukwa anapeza data yochika kuziponya zimene ziti. Lero bwera abarandi ndi mbuzi kumasiri mkola. So data ilikoze kugwiritsa ntchito bwino. Ndikuyendetsa chitukuko cha dziko lino. Zimenezo ndizothera kwambiri. Your Honor, Vice President, as I did say, it is not really an event of speeches, but I was given the privilege to request you to address this function. It is my singular honor and privilege, therefore, at this juncture, to request you, Dr. Michael Bizwe, Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, to address us and officially launch MDC2 on the go. Your Honor, Vice President.
Minister of Information and Digitalization, Honorable Moses Nkuyu, Principal Secretary in the Ministry of Information and Digitalization, Mr. Bolin Jamaka, PS for the VP Office, Dr. Lakis Kwese, Board Chairperson of MBC, Reverend Basco Kachipapa, and all the board members here present, Director General of MBC, Mr. George Tasakuna, Management and Staff of MBC, the Mayor of Lilongwe, present here, Chairperson of MBC2 on the GO project, and Chairperson of the Organizing Committee of the launch, Madam Takondwa Jumbe and the entire committee, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Before I dive into my speech, let me say this in Kichewa, the way I did say it when I was talking to Reverend Kachipapa. I whispered to him, Nani na Kichewa kuti Luna aliopyeza ifua anakuti adoli kasakula ndo kwina. Ndi matokera kumulandi ndiye zoti tikaza ndo kwima ikano kuidi yani kusaba bidi jona kuti alipasa gitara so ndi badi gitara ngene akafuna wokuti ndiimbe simaimba ndiye badi ndipempe akasakula kulungani gitara ngene zikaimba. Yes, I'm delighted today to preside over this auspicious occasion of the launch of the second TV channel for the Malawi Broadcasting Corporation, MDC2 on the go on behalf of His Excellency Dr. Lazarus Makate Chakwera, President of the Republic of Malawi. In his State of the Nation address of 2023, His Excellency the President highlighted a milestone in enhancing access to information, noting that the Malawi Broadcasting Corporation successfully rolled out NBC TV2. He said, and I quote, "This additional channel, which began broadcasting in September 2022, demonstrates my government's commitment to diversify media content and ensuring wide access to information for all Malawians." End of quote. Today, I am humbled to stand before you on his behalf to officially launch the station. The government realizes the importance of broadcasting services, especially television, to the social and economic development of the nation. We are aware that access to information is a fundamental right to all Malawians. I'm glad that as part of our efforts to improve access to information, the Malawi Broadcasting Corporation rolled out NBC Television 2, which began broadcasting in September 2022. Television is a very important medium. Television provides us with the basics of information, education, and entertainment. Broadcasting's images and sounds become part of the structure and content of people's imagining, understanding, and judgment. Hence, the responsibility that comes with this power is enormous. No one can doubt that the mass media in the field of broadcasting has a very important place in contemporary society. The broadcasters form an important and influential bridge, a crucial channel between government and people as well. They provide lines of communication between the peoples of the societies they serve and peoples of different societies. We cannot remind our broadcasters and media managers enough of the great and serious responsibility they bear. And I should also remind the broadcasters here that you are in competition. You have the responsibility to make sure that people know what they ought to know. There is a lot of fake news, fake information, propagandas. Now that you have employed the youth, let them understand the huge responsibility before them. Although it may not be prescribed or may not have been prescribed in their job descriptions, but it goes without saying that they must live up to the billing, so that all these fake news, propagandas, are met with the best anesthesia available. People should not be informed wrongly, because we are what we are because of what we know. So if they know what is not truthful, then they are thrown out of tangent as far as development is concerned. The press, both print and electronic, are the guardians of the public's right to information. The people's right to know is an essential ingredient of a free and democratic society. The media also has a responsibility to guide the most cherished values and traditions of the people. Ladies and gentlemen, broadcasting is a profession. As such, it has a role in society building. It stipulates areas of training for those who would qualify to work in its branch. Let me also add to say, the caliber of people that are employed here, the youth, our human capital, they should be exemplary wherever they are. They will send a very negative signal, message, if or when their way of living is undesirable. They should be models wherever they are. We have seen artists performing here. They have displayed their talent. And this is what we want to see. We don't want to see the youth that go to Kachasu in the morning and then they come here and say, where are you going? No. We need people that are disciplined. And for you to achieve anything under the sun, you need to understand the discipline that is required for you to achieve the objectives set for that particular mission. There are three broad tasks that face our media. First, they must observe as impartial as possible the environment in which they find themselves, and this is what the Honorable Minister was alluding to. In reporting as accurately as possible what is happening, they provide the facts of the situation to the public. Since our society's life does not consist only of politics or scandal, a responsible media house must try its best to give as wide a coverage as possible. This is possible with advanced technology which allows broadcasts from local stations to reach all the corners of the earth. This government, through the Ministry of Information and Digitalization, is committed to provide the needed support so that it manages to support you where possible. The development plans of this government for all parts of our country will not succeed without adequate provision for channels of information. That is both for information to the people and information from the people. The media also provides a forum, a meeting place for discussion of all social issues. Again, the increase of call-in programs in the past few years has done much to create a greater sense of democratic participation in matters that concern all. I'm expecting to enjoy NBC2 programs that are engaging. It is one thing to attend, it's quite another to participate. So let the programs push people to think. By way of example, if there's an issue that is being put around, which you know very well is fake news, you cannot just go on air and tell people that is not true. That is not true. I mean, people say, tell us why it is not true. You need to find areas of engagement whereby people should start to think by themselves to say, from the logical floor, this is not true. We shouldn't always come up with critics or criticisms to say, no, this is not true, this is not true. Let's package our information that knocks off tangent what is fake by way of inviting people to start discussing in the minibuses, at home. Let's launch a theme that invites people to start discussing. And at the end of the day, you preempt, even if they would be liars, because they see, they know. I mean, even when we go home, so when people start to understand that NBC, our new NBC here, although the minister said he has been here before, but it is still a new one, should say, yes, we have a new kid in town. You can't just say anything that you want to say anyhow, because you'll be embarrassed, because the truth will be told in style. Television has the potential to generate both positive and negative impacts, and research shows that TV has greater impact of television on society. The child's development level is a critical factor in determining whether the television and other media will have positive or negative effects. We should also think about the people that we are serving. And I'm on television. What impact will this station have on them? So all these have to be discussed, have to be included in the programming. I'm aware that NBC TV to focus more on entertainment and commercial interests. It is my expectation, therefore, that channels shall play a significant role in addressing issues of mental health amongst Malawians in general and youth in particular. That's why I said inside here that we need to read, we need to consult, we need to understand what is mental health. What are the issues that drive people to harm themselves, commit suicide? When you understand, then you are able to address such issues through your programming. As Trina Arauda said, and I quote, television is an anesthetic for the pain of the modern world, end of quote. The other task of the media, especially in developing society like ours, is that of teaching. Don't you think that we need more education type programs on our TV stations? I'm aware that NBC and other TV stations play a great role in educating the population, especially during the peak of COVID-19 pandemic, where people needed information every minute. Kila soju msaibale, antoma ganza mdireyo sina. Mbangora kuna kungoji kwa radio wamati sana hakuna zona. Ndiye radio walipa bilibili missions zosiana. Ndiye kuna jemati media wo ndiye mayopa kupia ya hapa tukangatumia lima TV stations zanzatu. What is right is right. Period. What is right is right. The second quote comes from John Ruskin, who said, and I quote, "Quality is never an accident. It is always the result of high intention, sincere effort, intelligent direction, and skillful education." End of quote. It is my expectation that NBC management shall continue to make deliberate efforts to offer quality services through deliberate efforts. Government's regulatory frameworks, these licensing stipulations, this revised legislation will not make media managers and on-air personalities responsible. To meet the pressures of the bottom line, to ensure comfortable profit margins, many will either ignore their license agreements or find ways to go around them. Ladies and gentlemen, while entertainment and recreation are a human and social need, media managers and announcers have the responsibility to respect the values held by the majority of the society. Political and social freedoms, represented by a free media, carry heavy responsibilities, hence the need for members of the broadcasting profession to remember their ethical responsibilities. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the government is quite aware that a public entity, NBC, is facing a number of challenges. One of them is what the Honourable Minister has said, that's with the salaries. Umaso available bila bamanyamata sana leni kutima wa mama kubwa kama Zambia. Ifika mchakwela kwa mfati simnambe zuranduna Afrika magarizo wapi. This is a project. It has been hatched. People have to work towards realization of what he has suggested. Ndiye msaitenge katikuna kuti Afrika degree ndiye na amba kuti ai reference speak ya nduna ya sana leo. Distinguished, just why I cannot promise to turn your situation around, or government cannot turn the situation around overnight. I wish to assure you that government will continue to support you in your efforts to save Malawians until such a time when you will be able to stand on your own to finance your operations. I wish you all the best as you continue to save Malawians through quality broadcasting services. It is now my single honor to declare NBC TV2 on the board officially launched. I thank you all for your attention. God bless you and God bless Malawi. Thank you very much.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.